6, the table shows the low temperature in degrees Fahrenheit for a city each day for 12 days. What is the range of the temperatures in the table? So we've got a table that has values all over the place. So we're going to look at the range. And what does the range of data mean? The range is the difference between the smallest and largest values in the data set. So the first thing we would need to do, since these values are all over the place, we kind of need to organize them. So we're going to organize these in a table based on powers of 10 so we can easily see our data and we can order from least to greatest, because we have to find the biggest and the smallest, but if we just take it from a random set, we might miss one and that will throw off all of our data. So first one, 29 degrees. It looks like our only one in the 20s, so we're going to put that in our 20s column. Next we're going to take the blues and we're going to take 30s. Everything that's in the 30s, we're going to place that in our table as well. So we're starting to get organized a little bit here. Let's go to the 40s. And it should go faster as we move because we're eliminating numbers out of our table. So our 40s, there are 4 values there. 50s, looks like there are 2 values in our 50s. And 60s, we only have 1 value left, so that will actually be our greatest number. So our greatest number is 60, and we need to find our smallest number. So our first value, we find range by taking the largest value, subtracting the smallest value. So we see it from our table that 60 is our largest value, and we go to the first number in our 20s table, which will be 29, and we just subtract these 2 values, simple subtraction here, and we get 31 degrees. So largest value 60 minus smallest value 29. What is the range of the temperatures in this table? Your correct answer, C, 31 degrees.